Hello everyone, I am Advait Vijay Jadhav, and in this video we will be discussing about impact of COVID-19 on global economy. And this impact we are going to discuss is based on UNCTAD report. According to the UNCTAD report, how the COVID-19 will impact global economy, this we will be discussing in detail. And we will see what are the observations made by UNCTAD, and also we will discuss some region-wise analysis. So how the European economy impacted, and how the US economy impacted, and how Asian countries are impacted. So we will also have region-wise analysis. Then we will come to the suggestion. We will see what are the suggestions given by the UNCTAD. So these are the topic we will be discussing in this video. Now let us start with current affairs. Recently, UNCTAD, means United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, has observed that economic uncertainty sparked by COVID-19 will likely cost global economy by $1 trillion in 2020. Economically, COVID-19 will cost $1 trillion. It's very huge amount and contain significant percent in GDP. The observation is based on World Economic Situation and Prospect report released by UNCTAD. Now first coming to the observations. First one, a slowdown in the global economy under 2% for this year is envisaged, which will probably cost in the order of $1 trillion. That means it is possible that GDP grew down to 2% at the end of 2020. In this, they given two possible scenario. First one is a worst possible scenario, and second was a best case scenario. Firstly, we will discuss worst possible scenario. If the world economy grew at only 0%, which would involve 2 trillion hits of GDP. Means in worst scenario, the GDP can grow down to 0.5. That means $2 trillion loss in the GDP. And second one is a base case scenario with moderate decline in the private consumption, investment, export, and also offsetting increase in government spending. Global growth would fall to 1.2 in 2020. For this base scenario, if the government spendings are increases, then it is possible that the GDP can be grew down to 1.2% at the end of 2020. And fourth one is the global finance marketing is fluctuating due to supply chain interruption from the China and oil price uncertainty among major producers. As we know that the most of the supply in in our country has came from the China. So if that stops, it will affect the GDP. Now coming to the region-wise economy, let us see how major region get affected by COVID-19. First one is European economies had already been performing extremely bad towards the end of 2019. Various factors, for example, Brexit, economical slowdown. So all these factors have already contributed towards its poor performance. Europe is almost certain to go into recession for the upcoming month. Italian second, German economy is in a fragile state. Italian economy and other parts of European periphery are also facing various stress right now. And third one is many parts of Latin America region are also vulnerable. And fourth one is Argentina in particular will be struggling as a consequence of knock-on of pandemic. Now let us come to the suggestions given by the UNCTAD. What are the suggestions given? First one, there is need for a series dedicated policy responses and institutional reforms. Now policy response has to be taken by different governments at national level. So the national governance should take major policy as a response to this. Structure reforms in the institutional level is also expected. Means RBI, for example, RBI is a national level institute, whereas WTO, WN are the international level institute. They need to be take part in that. Second one is government need to spend now in order to prevent more damaging melt down in the coming times. Thank you.